Yeah, ngomong pakaro ko ako takwa nga sa group kay Kas. Ya nasa uya ko mako group ko falakay payo ko le mo makoy mo.
Greetings, hello and welcome. This is our group Falatay, and the meaning of Falatay is that back in the days there were houses that was near the sea, and those houses that were near the sea was like called Falatay back in the days, and Mata Nonofo is where in Falatay at the back of the Alma Lord's house there was like a tall building where people would sit inside that building and watch over the village. Yeah. And here I'll start one side.
Nice.
1, 2,
Lamcha ile.
Time. Alive.
Yeah. Ole malo.
He must have enough.
Ole alma lolo no como el no como ahí se mata no.